Want to use your Instagram profile QR code on iPhone or scan someone else's QR code? In this video, I'll show you how to use and scan Instagram QR codes on iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile picture below. Now here, you can see Share Profile option next to the Edit Profile. Tap on it. Here, you can see the QR code of your profile. Now you can take a screenshot and share to your friend. Or, you can share this QR code to your friend directly from here. For example, tap on Share Profile. Now choose how you want to send, like WhatsApp, Facebook, or mail. Then, if you want to send QR code link, then you just tap on Copy Link and then share anywhere you want. And then, you can download the QR code as image by tapping Download. Then, if you want to customize the style, tap Color, Emoji, or Selfie from the top. Now choose your favorite style. Now, if you want to scan someone else's Instagram QR code, just tap on the scan icon from the top right corner. Then, point your iPhone camera at the QR code. After that, profile will open automatically. Or if you want to scan any image of QR code, tap on gallery icon from the top right corner in the camera view option. Find the QR code image. Select the image and profile will open automatically. Here, tap on View Profile. Here it is. You can see the exact profile you are looking for. That's how you use Instagram profile QR codes on iPhone. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!